If you're looking to earn extra income from home, from Nigeria, Africa, and all over the world, I have 5 websites that I'm going to share with you today that can pay you up to $50 per survey. Yes, this is true, and it's not a clickbait. Most of my subscribers are from Nigeria, so I consider them a lot. And I've done a lot of research before bringing you this particular website. So we are going to explore about 5 of them today so that you can go sign up. Due to conversion rate, if you're earning $5 from surveys as a Nigerian, you're actually making a lot of money in Naira, right? So we're going to explore these websites, sign up and start earning money. All you need is a smartphone, an iPad, or a computer to get started with these survey sites. So if today is the first time coming to my channel, my name is Delphine, and on this channel we talk about how to make money online. If you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe to the channel, as this helps us to keep bringing you more opportunities. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with your questions, and share the video to people that might need it. So the first website on our list is called Iwadi. I don't know if I'm getting the pronunciation well. It is strictly for Nigerians. So it says take online paid surveys and earn money. It is for Nigerians. It says take Nigerian online paid surveys and earn money. The registration is free. You're going to take online surveys and then you get paid. So it just takes a very easy, simple process for you to sign up. And you're going to work from anywhere in Nigeria. They pay up to £3.50p for one survey. So the only thing you need to do is to click on the sign up button, and it brings you to this page where you're going to sign up with your gender, email address, password, date of birth, and register. So I cannot register because I'm not in Nigeria, but yes, this is how the registration process goes. Just go sign up and start earning. So guys, sign up for this one if you're in Nigeria, and let us know in the comment section if you make any money from them. And the second one on our list is called Saga Pool. A lot of people have left reviews on Trustpilot about Saga Pool. It says it is the African survey app that gives you a voice. Saga Pool is a paid survey app in Africa that gives you a voice. Make money online from home or anywhere by answering a few questions. It's completely free. So this one is for Africans. So from anywhere you are in Africa, you can complete this one. So it says Saga Pool connects you with a wide range of companies and organizations that are active across the African continent and looking for your views and opinions. So you're going to give your opinions and views and then get paid. You can see this person has already made a video, or they made a video actually, on how to earn money from this particular website. You can watch the video and see how it works out for you. So it's available in Africa. In order to share your opinions on different topics, you must be based in Africa. Like I said, I cannot sign up to this website. I know some people might be saying, show us proof, and I can't sign up because I'm not there. I'm just bringing this to you guys because my subscribers are based there. I have subscribers in Nigeria, Kenya, Cameroon, South Africa, and even so many African countries. So it is strictly for people based in Africa. You must be based there. So by downloading the application and registering for free as a member, you will be able to receive survey notifications and have access to them instantly. Access available surveys anytime, anywhere. Share your opinions and be rewarded for your application. Exchange your points for money. So they pay you by points and then you exchange it for money during the cash out. You can also share your code with friends and make sure they use it when they download the app. Your friends earn bonus points and you get bonus points by referral when they use your Saga Pool code. So you make sure you invite your friends, share the invitation code. Always, advocate for people sharing this kind of things on their WhatsApp statuses. Share it. Your friends can sign up and you get paid. So you can see that it is everywhere. It is even in Ethiopia. It's everywhere in Africa. So as long as you're there, you can sign up and start earning as soon as possible. I cannot sign up and I cannot show you proof. So just sign up. They have things like branded surveys, food service, they have household expenses survey, they have so many things, categories that you can focus on this particular website. They have mobile app that you can get on Google Play Store, download it and start earning. And the third one is called Whysense. So Whysense is like the other ones, but this one is for everybody. I can also sign up from where I am right now. So it's not strictly for only Africans, it's for everybody. So you can earn up to $40 per task. So they have offers from their trusted partners like Review, MyChips, Torox, AdSense Media, One Ads. So you can make up to $40. They also have deals. So you're gonna check out the latest deals and earn 1 cent. Can even earn up to £1,000 Sainsbury's gift card. So I think according to your location, you can get the type of surveys in your location. So the type of surveys or the amount of surveys I get from where I am might not be the same for you. So once you get started today and sign up, you will get 5 cents in about 3 minutes for signing up. They also run an affiliate program where you refer people and get paid 30% recurring commissions on what your referrals make. So take advantage of their simple linking tools and eye-catching banners. The more you promote, the more you earn. So for each referral that becomes active, you will earn a sign-up commission of 10 cents or 30 cents from select countries. There are countries selected for this particular one. Once your referrals earn their first $5, excluding commissions and bonuses, you will also earn an extra $2 and bonuses. For every approved survey offer your referrals complete, you earn a whopping 20% commission of that. Increase your commission level to up to 30%. The more active your referrals are, the more you earn. Download the app from Google Play Store or App Store. So the good thing is that they have their App Store, they have their mobile app that will allow you to complete these surveys from anywhere you are, on the bus, in your toilet, anywhere. Just complete your surveys and get paid. They also have Amazon gift cards if you prefer that one. They also have PayPal, but the minimum is £15. So I have 43 cents. I didn't even know that I have accounts with them. And yeah, this is what I have so far. You can cash out using PayPal or Amazon gift card. They also have MasterCard UK. So depending on your location, like I always say, these things depend on your location. And once you sign up, start completing your simple tasks, start completing surveys, make out time every day to complete these surveys. Make out 2 minutes of your time, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, especially if you don't have a job, to do this. And the next one on our list is called Mobrog. I've heard a lot of good things about this Mobrog, and it's for people in Africa. They said, we show you how you can share your opinion with online surveys, have fun, and earn money on the side. Make your opinion count and get paid for it. Join the world of online surveys today. Just sign up, fill out your profile. So you're going to register and complete your profile. You're going to take in surveys on interesting topics, the topics that interest you. You're going to have fun and then you get paid. If you still have questions, you can ask them. So how it works is that once you have registered and finished the profile, you will be redirected to the next survey with just one click whenever you want. There are no skills required. All you need is a computer, smartphone, or tablet. After each successful completed survey, you will receive a reward from them. So register there, make your profile active by activating it. They will send you an email which you will click on to activate it. Then log into your account and take part in the initial survey. Complete your profile so you can be included in many surveys. What the problem you guys are having is that a lot of you sign up to these websites. I've been sharing good websites just like a Time Box. Most of you sign up, but you don't activate your email addresses. You just let it go. You just miss the opportunity you have to start earning. You don't complete your profile. You do it halfway. If you don't complete your profile, you will not be getting service, and by that time you start complaining that you don't seem to get service in your area. It's because you haven't completed the necessary things, the necessary requirements for that particular website. So guys, complete your profile and then start completing surveys. You can also cash out with PayPal, Skrill, bank transfer, Amazon vouchers, and much more. So just give your opinion, make money, and have fun. Remember, this will not get you rich, but at least it will pay some bills. At least it will feed you for the day if you do it right. They also have their mobile app. Get it on Google Play Store and App Store. And the last one for today is paid Viewpoint. So it says your viewpoint is valuable. Get paid to share it, and tell them how you really feel. Give brands a piece of your mind. And it says paid Viewpoint is a lively community of critics and influencers alike, eager to share opinions and make a little extra cash while they are at it. We can tell you've already got something to say. Quick, make account. So just click on join, sign up, and create your account and tell them about yourself, and then they'll match you with available surveys that matches your profile. And then you also connect your payment option. So they pay out via PayPal or Venmo, and also bank transfer. So connect your PayPal or your Venmo account so that you get paid. So guys, that is it for us. When I share this website with you guys, all you have to do is sign up and test it out. Some of them I cannot sign up because of my location, but I'm bringing it to you guys because you guys are my subscribers, and I want you all to be happy and succeed in this online money making. So just sign up today. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you start making money from these websites, please, if you have started making money from any of those websites, just come up and comment on that particular video. If you want the link to this particular survey sites, just let me know in the description, in the comment section. I will paste them there for you guys, or in the description box, and so that you guys can access it. So if you have stayed till this moment, why not subscribe to the channel, leave a like, comment, share the video to others. Please engage in the comment section, as your love and support helps me to grow this channel. It encourages me to bring more of this type of content to you guys. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next one.